anything because of the flash, but this is my doggy. Sorry, it's been a while. Oh, I think it should be like this. Okay, how is this going to... That won't be successful. I have a camera right there. That would probably be better for this sort of excursion. While I think about this, I won't be thinking about it, but look what I did. I made it pretty. I have some rope here. I could stitch in some tie you up. That's gonna be in the shot. Nope. That's how that works. Okay, you're on a swivel chair, by the way. My bookshelf used to be rainbow. No, it's not. I have been not doing my work. I finally got some vegan Cheez-Its today. And instead learning how to play guitar. Which I think I should when I'm trying to learn how to play. Can you get to that? Which, actually, don't judge. There's another guitar. And don't say anything about it. This one's better. But I can, I'm gonna keep using this one. This is a much better guitar, and my dad's colleague bought it and then hid it at our house and then never came and got it back, so it's mine now. So that was like 10 years ago. I've been trying to learn cough syrup by Young the Giant for a time and a half. There aren't any adequate, there might be. I couldn't find any adequate videos on the YouTubes to show me how to do it. This is definitely in the frame. I'm so sorry. It's probably still there. It's exciting. Okay, so I thought I would make a video for it. Because, you know, I'm just a kind soul. Okay. So this very much confused me when this is gonna be super helpful. This kind of thing confused me when I first looked at it. So I ignored it for like a week, but then it actually was helpful. Middle finger. Angelic. So what you do, let's hope you can see this. Let me just move over all of my artistic materials that I've been dabbling with. I crocheted a thing on my thing, and I don't want to, well, I kind of want to, I want you to see it though, because I'm really proud of it. I made this toolbox in 6th grade, and I have these paints. Hopefully you can see them. I have these paints, and they have the colors are on the tops on paper, and I taped them on. I spent like an hour doing that last night. I learned how to paint sunflower. I knitted a boot tune of a scarf. Okay, back to the thing that we were doing. I don't know about you. When I heard it the first time, I thought it would be terrifying to learn, really difficult. It kind of was, but that's just because there were no videos to help me. Hopefully this is helpful. Do I need to start over? So, back in your seat, I'm starting over. I'm really sorry. You can be like, hopefully I'm going slow enough that you can literally just be like, you don't even have to pause it. You can if you want to. I have no control over you. Or do I? So, back in your normal... let's do it one last time, because I'm still not sure if I said it correctly. Is that... I think that was right. If it's not, I'll just refilm it anyway and you won't even see this. So, okay, so after you do that, and I couldn't figure out how to do that because I just like didn't watch anyone play it. But now you can watch me if you want to, for funsies. Okay, what we're gonna do, you and me together, buddy boy. Now you might be confused and say, hey, you big dumb dumb. You have 2 fingers on the same string now. And I will say to you, shush. Go with it. I'm right, you're wrong, shut up. So, and then there's a little more lifting and dipping and dawdling around with this one, but that's okay. I believe in you. You can do it. I'm not perfect. I feel like I should just start over because I'm not pushing. I have all these like lines on my fingers, and if I don't put them in the right spot on the string, then it doesn't push down all the way. I'm working on building up my calluses, but they're kind of like falling off. So that's fun. Imagine my fingers falling off. Okay. I think I'll just fast forward through that part. That'll be fun. No. Yeah. No. This is my sippy cup for mason jars because I'm a baby. I'm a hipster baby who knows how to crochet. Should I do it again? This is I love you in sign language. It does not mean rock on. That also doesn't mean rock on. Or I love you. And that's it. Is it? Like, I don't think I went over the second one enough times. Or the third one, or the fourth one. Why don't I just start over? That's a good idea. I'm just trying to make the world a better place. Oh, today's not Monday. Today's not Monday? Is it Monday? I think it's Friday. Maybe I should play where the hole is. It's probably good idea. Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa. Do you think I hit the record button? Oh, I can check like this. Oh yeah, I did. Oh my god, it's been 24 minutes. Did you see my Harry Potter shelf? It didn't fit on the rest of the bookshelf. So. Okay. Maybe I should play it. Maybe it would be helpful if I played the cello. I want to play the cello. Maybe I'll try with the pretty guitar. Maybe beauty will make things easier, like it does most of the time. I can't get it to like ring like the bell jar. I haven't read that, but I think it's Sylvia Plath, and she died on purpose. On her own purpose. On her own purpose? That's definitely what I meant. I think this looks very cool. Let's try again. See if any of that is worthy of the beautiful masterpiece that is my YouTube channel. Yep. Okay. Turns out, couldn't see my paints. There they are. Oh, it's not really focusing on them. They all have little hats on. There's the rolls of scarves that I've been working on. It's super long. Very, very long. What else have I been making? I did my cool guitar. It's there, and it's textured. And then I also wanted to show you, I don't know if you can see me at all. This is where you were sitting. This is where you live. You live in this. Ooh, and then I don't know if you're gonna stay up. No, you're not. Okay. Chill out there for a second. Ta-da! I made a pink crown out of crochet. I crocheted a pink yarn out of a pink yarn. I can't speak. Ugh. I crocheted a pink crown out of fat yarn. And Sylvia, my dear Sylvia, wore it on her super soft birthday party. At her super soft birthday party. Because that's both the location and a time, because it was an event. Are events, are you in an event or at an event? Deep stuff. Okay, well, I just wanted to be validated and show everyone my paint hats, so I'm gonna remake that guitar thing that I tried to do earlier. Toodaloo. Oh, that's lopsided. Maybe I should close the window. That'd probably make this a better video, but are we about quality here, or are we about other things besides quality? Okay, I don't know if you can see my face. It's right here. But I thought this would be a better, vantage point, potentially, for trying to show this. Here's my, beginnings of my guitar stuff. I'm becoming it, but I'm suffering for the art, getting calluses on my fingies. I think my dad just broke the lawnmower. Also an X-Acto knife just fell on the floor. I hope I don't forget about that. Step on it and die by blood loss from toes. Let me stop. Oh, now it's starting. Okay, so let's get down to business. To defeat the boredom. Did they send me online school when I asked for popcorn? Don't know why I said popcorn. Haven't had popcorn in a long time. Okay. Please don't stare at my crotch. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but that's not the point of this video. It's not my point of this video. I don't control you. You don't own me. I don't own you. Bang bang. Other songs like that. Doop-up, doop-up. Okay. Wow. I can't do anything in a straightforward, timely manner. Okay, here we go. I also don't know if you can see my beautiful mug. Thinking of funny jokes. That is the first. It's not the first quarter of the song, but it's like the song is separate. I think it's in four parts. That's the first part of the 4 parts. Doesn't mean it's the first quarter, but it does mean it's 1 out of 4. Anyway, and then second string. Excuse you, sir. So one more time, my dudes. Maybe I should show like my fingers also. My fingers aren't pretty. Maybe I should have like thought about that before I did all these close-ups on my fingers. Well, we're here now. Maybe you could see my hand, maybe you couldn't. Maybe I have to redo this whole thing. Maybe you've only been able to see this part of the guitar, which is the one part that you don't really need to see. Maybe this worked, maybe this didn't. Let's take a little peek. But you know, beauty is pain, music is beauty. Therefore, go vegan. And try not to flash you. Oh well. Again, suffering for the art. Beep, boop, bop, bip. Scooting, lefting, leftaroo. Maybe I should like put some lotion on my fingers. Or I should play through it like a champion. Also, I use my leg as a paint palette when I'm too lazy to reach behind me and get a paint palette. So, fight me. And my lymph nodes that are probably black by now. Let's try the other big boy. Bah! Bah, humbug. That's how I feel. Ooh, big eye. That's the best you're gonna get, my dude.